Well, good evening, everyone. This is Mike Bass back again with another forecast update for you for this May 5th, 2024. I'm hoping everybody had a great Sunday out there so far. Everybody has a great Sunday evening. Hope everybody continues to stay safe and well and also enjoy the weather because it's the only weather you got. Okay, in tonight's video, we're going to be talking about your forecast for Monday and Tuesday. Also, the weather radar currently across the nation as well. Also, the Watches Warning Advisory map. Also, the Storm Prediction Center outlook for Monday, as we got a huge severe weather outbreak coming out for Monday. Also, we have another one for your Tuesday and also your Wednesday. So stick around through the entire video. Do not miss a beat of this forecast. And also make sure you subscribe if you have not subscribed to my forecast channel. Make sure you smash that subscribe button. Also like the videos and also share the videos on social media. And let's go ahead and get the show on the road here, folks. Alright, you can see here we got some shower activity up here in a portion of Maine and New Brunswick, also in the northern Vermont, northern New Hampshire, back down in Massachusetts, and also the coastal waters area. Alright, we got thunderstorms and showers from up here in Rhode Island, the coastal waters, stretching over toward New Jersey, Maryland, D.C., the Delaware area, Virginia, the Carolinas, Florida, Georgia, also down toward Louisiana, Texas, all the way through the Dakotas, Minnesota, Wisconsin, and also poured in Montana, even right along the portion of Texas, all the way up to Nebraska, including Iowa, also Missouri, portion of Arkansas, Kansas, and Oklahoma, and North Texas. Alright, and some critical fire weather problems possible. And in purple here, we have mixed precipitation in portions of Colorado, also in the Wyoming, Montana, Washington, Oregon State, Northern California, Northern Nevada, and Northern Utah. Alright, we got a few pockets of snow up here in portions of areas of Wyoming, Idaho, also in the portion of Nevada, and also in the portion of Oregon State as well, with rain showers in California. Otherwise, dry high pressure in charge of much of Canada, portion. Alright, let's move on to your Tuesday forecast now. As you can see, we got a big area of showers and storms extending from New Hampshire to Rhode Island and coastal waters all the way down into the Carolinas, down to Alabama, Mississippi, Louisiana, back to Missouri, Iowa, and also in the portion of Minnesota sea areas. You're in the severe portion of Maine, New Brunswick, Newfoundland, portions of the Carolinas, Georgia, Florida, Florida Keys, Jamaica, Cuba, Louisiana, Southeast Texas. We have a few severe thunderstorm warnings down across South Texas with a special marine warning there as well. Flash flood warning there in green. And also, we've got scattered activity over portion of New Mexico to Arizona to Utah to Colorado, over toward Nevada, Idaho, Montana, Wyoming, Washington, Oregon State as well. Alright, that's pretty much takes care of that. As you can see, we have a coastal flood advisory over here around portion of Virginia and Arkansas, eastern Texas, also Louisiana, Texas. Severe thunderstorm warning, special marine warnings as well. We have a wind advisory down across southern Louisiana, southeast Texas. Advisory that reported Minnesota, Nebraska, Arizona, Utah, Colorado, Wyoming, portions of Nebraska, same into portions of Montana with high wind watches there as well, and also in the portions of Wyoming as well. Wind at Montana to Idaho to portion of Washington and Nevada, also Southern California, northern portions of Arizona, and southeastern areas of Utah. Alright, we got red flag warning, Kansas, down in Oklahoma, Texas, also in the portion of West Texas, also much of New Mexico and southeastern areas of Arizona to Utah, also into Wyoming, Montana, also Nevada, and also a portion of Washington, Oregon State. We got a few wind advisories over the island there. Also, we have storm gale warning, small craft advisory from Southern California to Washington State as well. Around the Alaska area as well. In the green here, we have some flood watches in effect for eastern Alaska, southwestern Alaska, and also some areas here for freezing spray warnings in effect for southwestern Alaska. Alright, let's move on to the Storm Prediction Center outlook. This is for your Monday. We have a moderate risk for severe weather coming up on your Monday. Alright, as you can see, here's that moderate risk. If you live in Oklahoma City, Wichita, Kansas, Norman, Oklahoma, Lawton, Oklahoma, and Edmond, Oklahoma, this is the moderate risk area right here. This is the moderate risk area right here in these areas. Alright, advanced risk. This is level 4 out of 5 here. This is a level 3 out of 5. This is enhanced risk. This is from Kansas City to Tulsa to Lincoln, Nebraska, Overland Park, Kansas, and Kansas City, Kansas areas. Also, if you're in the level 2, this is a slight risk. If you live in Omaha, Nebraska, Del Monte, Iowa, Springfield, Missouri, Wichita Falls, Texas, and Denton, Texas, that's the level 2 out of 5. That's a slight risk, and a marginal risk outline the area in the green, which is a level 1. Dallas, Texas, Fort Worth, Texas, Arlington, Texas, St. Louis, Missouri, and Plano, Texas. And just general thunderstorms elsewhere from New York City down to the Carolinas, down toward Fort Myers, Miami, over toward New Orleans, back to San Antonio, and far west as portion of Boise, Idaho, Pendleton, also Great Falls, Glasgow, and Billings, Montana, and also towards Salt Lake City. All right, let's take a look at the tornado probability for your Monday. All right, you can hear 2% in the green, 5% in the brown, 10 and then 15%. That this area here were the moderate risk. This is large tornadoes, EF2, EF4, maybe even EF5 possible in this region. Even in the 10% area. Oklahoma City, Tulsa, Wichita, Norman, Lawton, Topeka, Norman, and like I said, Edmond areas. You're in the significant area and the 15% area. If you live in the 10% area, this includes Tulsa, Topeka, Broken Arrow, Lawrence, and Salina, Kansas. Also, if you're in the 5%, this includes Kansas City, Missouri, Omaha, Nebraska, Lincoln, Nebraska, Del Monte, Iowa, and also Arlington, Texas. Plano, Texas. Then I'll go back to 2, and then we'll go to 1. Go back to 4. All right, you can see here the general thunderstorm from Fargo, North Dakota, a little bit of Cleveland to Tulsa to St. Louis to Pittsburgh. Slight risk, including Indianapolis. Ability should be about 5 to 15%. Well, I'm going on. Sorry I didn't get a chance to do the rest of it, but this is day 4. From Columbus to Pierre to Chattanooga to Memphis to Greenville, Mississippi to Shreveport to Waco to Dallas. This is where the 15% risk area for a large severe weather outbreak coming up on Wednesday. This is a big area here. A little to the north as well. So just want to give you a heads up on that. But anyway, You got to see the weather forecast. Hope everybody has a wonderful evening. Take care. Sorry I didn't get to show all the graphics. The thing's messing up, but I just have to fly through it the best way I can. Alright, well, hope everybody has a wonderful evening. Take care. Enjoy the weather because it's the only weather you got. Like these videos, share these videos, consider subscribing, and we'll catch you back in the next video. So have a wonderful, wonderful Sunday evening, folks. Take care.